Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add Hamster on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on a mobile device. Once you open up your app, enter the passcode. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon. Once you click on it, now tap on search bar and search for Hamster. To add Hamster on your Trust Wallet, just toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and click on Hamster. After you click on it, now tap the receive button. Through this QR code and wallet address, you can add Hamster into your Trust Wallet app through different crypto wallet. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Hamster to our Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.